What's up, Sip Sip? Can y'all hear that? Y'all hear that funny ass noise I'm making? That's that shit them girls do. Yeah, that's that shit them girls do or them guys that's raised by their mama. When you tell them something and they go or snap their lips, whatever the fuck. I can't even make the noise, but you know the noise I'm making. Girls do it a lot with their mouth, like shit like that. If you hear a man do that, you know he's raised by his mama. He ain't got to be all emotional and shit, but you know if you talking to a man and he go make that little funny ass noise with his mouth, he was raised by his mama and he probably gonna be real emotional. And he probably wear a bonnet, but I'm just saying that that's that noise. Y'all know it. Little boys that make this noise. You little bunny boys. What's that about? What you call that noise? You know y'all make it when y'all get mad, get upset, somebody tell you something you don't want to hear. You go, yeah, that little what the hell is that? Stop making that goddamn noise and take that bonnet off your fucking head and grow up. Sip sip.